Hey guys, I'm going to be making a quick video on the Lasfit LED headlight upgrade for my 2018 Kia Forte. I'll be doing the low and high beam. So here are the low beams. They're on already. And then here are my high beams. Now let's get a look outside first, just so we can see it before. So here they are with the high beams on. So here it is with the high beams on again. I will be doing one side first to show you guys the before and after, and then I'll show you guys on how to install it yourselves. So as you can see, you guys, the difference is night and day. Again, left side being LEDs, right side your halogen bulbs. And now I'll get to showing you guys how to install them yourself. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to change out your low beam and high beam bulbs for LEDs. It's just two dust covers, 1 and 2. First, you want to take off this 10mm bolt to get it out the way. Make sure you put that to the side where you don't lose it. Put this down. So we'll start off with the high beam, which is down here. Just twist the dust cover and it'll come right off. And then when you want to get the bulb out, you're going to twist it counterclockwise. And it should just pop right out. Go. Now disconnect it. So once you get the bulb out, you want to disconnect it. And here's your stock halogen bulb. And now here's the Lasfit LED. As you can see, it's a big difference in size, but it fits right into the stock housing and it plugs right in. Plug it in here, but first, before you close up the housing and everything, you want to make sure you test your lights and make sure they work. And just tuck in the wire and close it right up. So now that we're done with the high beam, now we want to move on to the low beam. It's the same thing. Dust cover, twist it off, and then the light pops out the same way as well. Plugs. Now here's your low beam light compared to the Lasfit LED light. As you can see, big difference again, but it's well worth it. And it plugs right in as well. Twist it clockwise. And then just tuck the wires in and you'll be good. Dust cover. So once you close up the dust cover, make sure you put this back on. You should be ready to go. So So here we are, now that we got the Lasfit LEDs in. Here we are with the high beams. I mean, that's just beautiful. So here we are now with the Lasfit LEDs. We got the low beam and the high beam upgraded. And as you can tell, that's just beautiful. The difference is night and day. And it's really worth the upgrade.